Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic StarCAD tutorial how to change background color. To change background color, you can tap OP to open option dialog box and click on display tab. The next click color button. So to be sure for drawing window colors dialog box. In here you can set in 2D model space and use uniform backgrounds. So if you want to change background, you can click in here color, like I will set into cyan, click apply to close. So to be the background color it be changed. Click colors again, and if you want to reset, you can click at this button, restore all contents, click OK and apply to close. Click OK again. Okay, that's it, how to change background color in StarCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.